Oh, where is my money? I thought that I left them in my pocket. I think I spent them somewhere. Okay, so do you know how to. Hey, do you know how to make more money? Do you know what is money? Okay, so come with me, guys. I'll show you what is money. So let's say money is energy that stores value. It's really important to know and to understand that money is a value, and the more you provide positive energy and the more you think positively about money, the more positivity comes to you, and the more the universe is going to bring more money and more wealth and more abundance to you. That is simply, money is an infinite energy that never ends, and you have to know how to create it more and more and more, and how to recreate this energy, and then the physical money will follow back later. As simple as that. So let me say, what is wealth? The ability to generate value. I mean, wealth is the ability to generate value. I've got a pen here, and I would like to point onto something which is so important. You've got to be able to generate. That means to create the value of the money so that you can get the physical money, the banknotes, the proper money. What is value? You need to offer, which is so important, you need to offer a higher value to people. So if you want to get more money from people, you've got to give them a higher value than the money, so that can people give you money towards the value that you're giving them. And in order to receive, and I'll circle the word receive, the value you are offering more than the value of the money. People have to be convinced of value that you give them. And I would like here to point on something that so many people, they maybe they forget, or like they don't know how to create this value. You've got to be genuine in order to create money and in order to create the value of money. So people can feel this energy. When you're trying to give a value towards money, people can feel either you are genuine or not. So try to be genuine when you offer a value to someone in order to get money towards that. And also, it's a good thing to think positively. As in, genuinely from inside, you have to feel that you want to help with a good value, and you are happy to provide more genuine and authentic value to people. And that time money is going to follow. As simple as that. Well, that means, what does it mean? That means you part with the money, and basically you can trade money. You value safety and security. Let's take as an example. So you value safety and security and food. I mean, I would sorry. I'll take an example as safety and security and food. So if you want to part safety towards money and value towards money, and food towards money, people are gonna pay you back. So everyone, when they feel hungry, they would like to buy food towards money because they feel hungry. That is how the way it made them feel, and I would like to focus on the word feel. So you have to understand that money is so linked with feelings. That's what we said in the beginning, that money is energy. Money is an infinite energy. So the way how you make people feel is the secret here to create money and to create value and to create wealth. So if you want, let's say, trade value of the safety and security and food, so basically people would pay for that. You fulfill also, there is another thing, when you fulfill the value of the money, that means people would like to fulfill a void, which is here so important. I mean, imagine someone is trying to sell a car to someone, and they know that that person would like a vintage car, or like there is a certain brand that are looking for because of a void which is coming from childhood, and they want to fulfill that void. So if you know that, you can sell the car in a higher price and you create money. And also, so many people, they have certain void was luxury, yeah. So either cars or luxury or expensive brands, and the same theory applies for that. So you create the need to fulfill the past void. Every one of us has a past void. Every one of us wants something in particular and they're looking for it. And the day they find it, they would pay lots of money for it to get that thing. So people will pay money to fulfill the void, which is really an important thing to know. Just to summarize, I would like to ask the question, what is value? So let's summarize. Value is the past perceived void, which is really valuable and it can bring you lots of money, and plus the present perceived virtues. So the present perceived virtues will lead to the present perceived values. So if you sell a value to someone and they do believe that that value is so good and virtuous, so they're gonna pay money for that. Also, in addition to the past perceived voids and the present perceived virtues, there is the future perceived visions, and value is created through perception. So it is really important that you know what is coming, so you can perceive what is the future is going to be. So when you know that in the future a certain product or a certain service is going to be so expensive, and you invest in that and then you sell it, so then you will make wealth from that. This was part 1 from the money, and there will be part 2 and part 3 and part 4. Please watch the videos and like and subscribe for your own self-improvement.